Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new nail products, and the first thing is this Jelly Tip Starter Kit, and Kiara Sky sent this over to me. And basically it's a gel nail extensions kit, and it's supposed to be perfect for at home because it comes with everything you need, and you also don't have to worry about shaping these because they're already pre-shaped, which we love. And then my favorite part about it is it comes with this tiny little LED lamp. You guys, you already know I'm a sucker for cute packaging, so I'm so excited for this. And this is to flash cure, so we're gonna try that out. And then I'm also gonna be using their Beyond Pro nail drill for the first time, and I just feel like a professional just like holding it. But it has a ton of features on it. It's portable, rechargeable, and cordless, 10 hours of battery life, smooth vibration, a bunch of other stuff. Just know it's really fancy, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the products up close. So with the LED lamp, you're gonna get a cord and the adapter, and it's really easy to set up. You just plug it in on the back, and then it also has the power button on the back too. And then you're also gonna get the 4 steps that you need and the jelly tip case, which has your jelly tips inside. And I do have the square shape, but they also have coffin, almond, and stiletto, so you can really choose any shape you want. And these tips are actually made of gel instead of plastic, which you normally find, and they do have the numbers on each tip showing the size, and it also shows it on the lid of the container. I know you can't really see this, I'm trying to show you this 3, but it does number them up there, which I thought was neat. And then here is the drill, and it actually does come in pink too, but it's just a simple design, and I seriously love the fact that it's portable because filming with it and just having it on my desk made my life so much easier. And then on the top of the drill you have your forward and reverse switch, and then you can also control the speed, and it does display it as well. So yeah, let's get into how to do these jelly tips. And I'm just gonna let you guys know now, this is my first time ever doing gel extensions or working with builder gel like ever, so I'm just following along with the directions that they sent. So the first step is to begin with clean and sanitized hands, and then push back your cuticles and remove the shine from your natural nail. And I'm actually going to be using my e-file to remove my cuticles, which I never do, but I was like, you know, let's just go for it. So I'm just using a random bit. This is from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. And I'm just gently running that along my cuticle area. And guys, this drill is so quiet. Like, I was so shocked because I've used a few drills before, and just comparing it with those, I'm like, what? But anyways, if you don't want to use a drill to push back your cuticles, you can also use a metal pusher or an orange wood stick. It's really up to you, but you do want to make sure you're pushing back your cuticle to prevent any lifting. So after you push back your cuticles, you want to remove the shine from your natural nail. And I'm not going to be using my e-file for this because I'm just not there yet, so I'm just going to be using a hand file. And you want to use a file that's not too coarse, so I normally like to use a 240 or 320 grit nail file. I wouldn't use a 100 or 180 grit just because it's really harsh on your natural nail. You're just going to do that until you remove all of the shiny spots from your nail, especially around your cuticle area and the edge of your nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and shape the nail tips to my natural nail. So for this, you just want to make sure it's covering your entire nail bed from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want to pick a tip that's too small or too large. And they do have a good amount of sizes in here, so you should be able to find something similar, and if not, you can just file around the nail just to shape it more to your natural nail. So next you want to remove the shine from the inside of the jelly tip, and you're just going to do this where your natural nail is going to touch the jelly tip. But for me, because I didn't cut my nails, this is pretty much, it's not the whole tip, but it is a large amount of the tip. So I'm just using my e-file and a random bit to do this. And I do realize this is probably the only way you can do this because I'm not really sure how you would file the inside using a hand file. So I will link some more affordable drills down below just because I know not everybody wants to invest a lot in a nail drill, especially if you're just using it for this step. So next I'm going to move to step 1, which is your nail prep, and this is going to dehydrate your nail and get rid of any oils on them. And I do like that the bottles have them labeled on the side, so it's really easy to follow along with. So I'm just applying that to all of my nails. And you want to make sure you don't touch your nails after this step because your fingertips have natural oils in them, so if you go to touch it, you're just going to be putting that oil right back on your nail plate. So after that, the next step is going to be your primer, and again, you're just going to apply this to all of your nails, and this is basically just going to help the product to adhere better to your nail. And it may seem like we've already done a lot, but honestly, everything I just did was really quick to do, like the nail prep, filing the inside of the jelly tip, and applying the prep and the primer. And after that, you're ready to move on to the builder gel. So like I said, this is my first time using this gel, and it's definitely a thicker consistency than your normal gel nail polish. And I did think it would be difficult to work with, but honestly, it was pretty easy. Like, you definitely have to get the hang of it, but once you do, it's really no different. I feel like it applies really easily to your nail and also to the nail tip. So I'm just applying it like I would any normal nail polish. And you do want to try your best to keep this thin. And if you get any on your skin, you can just wipe it off before you go to cure it. I did actually go ahead and do my right hand with my non-dominant hand, which you guys can see right here. And a few of you guys suggested that, so I figured I would try it out on that hand just because, you know, if it looked bad, I wouldn't care as much. And then also I could see where I was messing up, so I could let you guys know what to look out for. And honestly, it was pretty easy to do using my left hand. The biggest thing was I actually put on a nail crooked and had to soak it back off. So that's the biggest thing you want to look out for. Anyways, I'm taking the same builder gel and just applying it into the jelly tip. And again, you just want to apply it where your natural nail is going to touch the tip. So basically where you remove the shine already. And when you go to put it on your nail, you want to start from your cuticle area and then push it down towards the tip. And here you can see I didn't have the lamp on already, but I was still able to quickly turn it on and then slide it over while my thumb was holding down the tip. And then after this nail, I did find it easier to turn on the lamp before I went to place the tip on my nail. That way I could just slide it over without having to go back and forth. So while you hold the tip down, you're going to flash cure your nail for 10 seconds, and then you can remove your thumb and then cure your nail for another 30 seconds, which I'm doing right now. And while you do this, you want to slowly rotate your nail just to make sure your nail is being fully cured. And that is it, guys. Then you have your very own gel extension. And I don't know why I didn't just show the nail after I took it out of the lamp, but you guys will see all the other ones when I take it out of the lamp. But you're just going to repeat this same process on each nail. So again, first you're going to start with that builder gel and apply that like you would normal nail polish. Cure it for 30 seconds, and then apply the builder gel into the jelly tip. And when you do this, you do want to keep it thinner. You don't want to glob it in there, which honestly I did on a few nails, which you guys will see when I went to push down the nail. I did get some gel kind of oozing out around my skin, but I will show you guys how you can take that off later. Here again, I pushed it on from the cuticle toward the free edge, and you can just slide it over while you're still holding it to flash cure it. And this is crazy. Like, I know everybody compares this system to the Apres system, and I've never tried the other system, but I already know trying to use the lamp with the other system to do this would just, oh, that would be so frustrating. So I really do like the design of this lamp. I feel like I didn't struggle even though I was doing my own nails. And another thing, once I cured the tip onto my nail, it was on there. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting, but these feel really sturdy. Like, I've hit them a few times already, and I didn't feel like it was about to pop off my nail or anything. So again, after doing the first hand, you want to make sure that you're putting it on straight, because once you flash cure it, you can't just take it off. Like, you have to start over. And then also make sure you're putting on the tip from your cuticle and then pushing the product down. And this will also help prevent air bubbles. So once you get all the nails on, this is what they look like. Here, I'm just pointing out the gel that got onto my skin. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a nail file and just file off the tip where the little tab thing is, and this is super easy to do. It takes like no time. To get the gel off my skin, I'm going to be using my e-file in this ball bit. I didn't even know if this would work, but ended up working. And you can also use a nail file to do this, but if you are using a nail file, again, you don't want to use a really coarse file. Try to use something that has a higher grit so you're not scraping up your skin or anything. Then I went ahead and removed the shine using a nail file, and you actually don't have to do this. I did this because I thought I was going to use gel, but then I ended up just using normal nail polish because I figured I would want to change the color of these nails. So I'm just filing kind of for no reason. And then something else I decided to do with this hand that I didn't do on the first hand I did was take a nail file and also my e-file and kind of just file along my cuticle area. And again, this is optional, but I feel like it does make a difference, just making it look more natural and not as kind of bulky on the bottom. And it really doesn't take long to do, so you can do this, or you can just go ahead and paint your nails. And there's a step 4 here of a top coat that I didn't use because I use normal nail polish. So Yeah, just throwing that out there. Anyways, I finished off these nails by buffing them with a buffing block, and then I painted them white, and this is the finished look, you guys. I'm in love with this kit. I'm not even kidding. I feel like these are perfect if you want long nails without having to do acrylics, and they're so easy. Like, you don't have the smell of acrylics. You don't have to shape. Like, they're just amazing, and these are supposed to last up to 3 weeks too, so let me know what you guys think. And now, time for the giveaway. Kiara Sky was nice enough to sponsor a giveaway, so one of you will be winning this starter kit and also a few other goodies in their stay home kit that they have right now. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel and Kiara Sky's channel, and I'll have that link down below. And then also just comment something that you're doing positive during this time of staying at home, whether it's learning a new skill or self-care, just something that you're doing to just make the most of this time. And also leave your Instagram so I can contact you if you win. And this giveaway will end in a week, so next Sunday, what date is that? April 12th, and I will have it announced in the community tab. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.